I'd like to talk to you about single parenting. One of the realities of my life is that I am co-parenting with my children's dad. And I don't know if that's your situation. Maybe it is. But with it comes its own set of trials and tribulations. So what I'm about to say may resonate with you or it may not. Now, when you're in a two-family or mom and dad nuclear family type of situation, it's much easier if both hands or all hands are on deck and everybody's helping make dinner. But when you're in a single family situation, it is a lot trickier to get things done. Now, I'll be honest and admit that while I personally love to cook, the constant grind of having to plan the meals, shop for the meals, cook every single night, clean up, rinse and repeat is a little repetitive for me. And it's starting to get a little bit trying for me. So I have two picky eaters, so it's not like I can even just make one dish, right? So I'm making the dish and then I'm making several side dishes to make sure that everybody is fed. That's a lot of work and a lot of exhaustion. And I'm willing to bet that I'm not the only parent feeling this way. Whether your situation is co-parenting or two-family, I believe we all experience these pains. Now, we take shortcuts for sure, right? So sometimes we order out, we use Grubhub, or we order pizza, we take the kids to Chick-fil-A, or we just go out straight up to dinner. But what if I have found a solution for our problems? Even me, my company, TinyChefs, we found a solution and I need to start using my own solution. I haven't even done this, so I'm about to start doing it. What if we could basically buy the food for the kids, put out all the supplies, set them up in front of a laptop, and have them follow along with an instructor that is cooking an entire meal. And then not only are the kids learning new skills, they're learning as they go. They have a reputable instructor teaching them, right? And it's real. It's not real time. It's not like a Zoom call, but it's pre-recorded, so you can always push pause. The kids can always do that. But the kids are making the food. And that helps, right? That helps significantly when you're trying to get kids to eat new things. So if they put their blood, sweat, and tears into a dish and they're cooking dinner for the family, that creates in their head a different, viewpoint where they're feeling empowered and they're feeling proud of themselves. So I think this is genius. Right? And we have different themes that you can explore on our website. But my whole talk here is trying to incentivize everyone that we have the answers. All we have to do is think outside of the box and then say, hey kids, you're cooking tonight. This is your night to cook a meal. Watch these videos and let me see what you're gonna do. And then we all eat dinner as a family. And then who knows, maybe they even clean up, right? Or maybe you're doing it. I don't know. But at the end of the day, I think this is something to explore.